Good, good morning, everyone. Myself, Devika, working as assistant professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Srinathamaram Institute of Technology. Today, I am going to present a subject on protection switchgear W3601, which is a core subject for sixth semester in the Department of EEE for 2021 regulations. Now, we are going to see the topic electromagnetic relay and its types. Then what are the functions of protective relay? Electromagnetic relays. In electrical energy is essential for modern life, but faults like short circuits and overloads can occur in power system. If these faults are not cleared quickly, it may damage to the equipment and interrupt supply. Hence, protective relays and the circuit breakers are used to detect the faults and isolate only the faulty section. Then, protective relay. A protective relay is a device that senses abnormal conditions using current transformers and potential transformers. Most relays used in power systems are electromechanical relays and operating on the principles of electromagnetic attraction and electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic attraction relays. These relays are work by the attraction of an armature toward an electromagnet. When the fault current exceeds a preset value called pickup current. There are two main types of electromagnetic attraction relays. One is attracted armature type relay. Second one is solenoid type relay. In both cases, when a fault occurs, the relay closes the trip circuit and operates the circuit breaker. Attracted armature type relay. Under normal operating conditions, the current through the coil, that is C, is such that the counterweight holds the armature in the position. Here shown in figure. When a short circuit occurs, the current through the relay coil increases sufficiently and the relay armature is attracted upwards. So the minimum current at which the relay armature is attracted to close the trip circuit is called pickup current. Then solenoid type relay. It consists of solenoid and movable iron plunger. Under normal condition, the current through coil holds the plunger by gravity or spring in the position. If fault occur means the current through the relay coil becomes more than the pickup value, so causing the plunger to be attracted to the solenoid. So the upward movement of the plunger closes the trip cycle. So disconnect thus operating the circuit breaker and disconnecting the faulty circuit. Then circuit breakers. Circuit breakers disconnect the faulty part of the system. They offer quick research, reliable operation, minimal downtime, and are fully tested for safety and performance. Then protection system components. The main components include in the system CT, that means current transformer, PT, potential transformer, protective relay, trip circuit, circuit breaker, and battery supply. Then the function of protective relay means when in normal condition the circuit breaker switch is closed. Whenever a fault occurs, the CT reads the current values and the relay switch is relay switch is closed. Relay operates means that means it has been energized and closed the switch. So and the signal pass on to the trip circuit. So the circuit breakers open the switch and to isolate the fault. Then needs of protective systems. Protective schemes help prevent electrical equipment from damage due to faults. Then to detect abnormal conditions such as short circuit, overload, and earth fault. Then to isolate only the faulty part of the system quickly. Next, to reduce damage to generators, transformers, transmission lines, and motors. Next, to ensure safety of personnel and public. Then to maintain continuity of power supply to healthy sections. Then to minimize outage time and downtime. Then to prevent fire hazards and accidents. And to improve reliability and stability of the power system. And to reduce repair and maintenance cost. Conclusion, protective systems play a vital role in the safe and reliable operation of power systems, fast fault detection and isolation, and to reduce damage and downtime. These are the reference of this. Thank you.